Today I'm going to offer you a free lesson, and that lesson it is about when to take profits on swing positions. And I'm going to address this company Cons, okay? Cons that we called last year in 2013, precisely the same situation as with Best Buy, one of the best selling short opportunities in the stock market, and obviously a company stock for the crash, as the case in Best Buy. If you have questions about it, you can visit my website and the published case studies addressing Best Buy and Cons. So today we have Cons basically at $39 and a half, $40. So this is an important bounce since the recent bottom that was given to everyone at $31 and a half, okay? And this lesson is about illustrating precisely in real time our accuracy in the stock market. So this stock, I repeat, it was a sell. It was a sell at $68 last year, all the way up to $80 or 78. So the stock, it was a sell, as it was the case with Best Buy at $37. Best Buy continued moving higher to $44.01 when I reiterated the downgrade in Best Buy SMES trade alert at $44.01 and informing everyone that if they had still long positions in Best Buy just for momentum reasons, that they had to close long positions and then reversing to the short side. And here it was the same situation. So this to say what? That in terms of swing trading, I repeat, the stock was already a sell or a short at $68, and the fact that the stock or the share price continued moving higher, as it was the case with Best Buy. So in this case, the stock continued moving higher to $80. It was that $80 or 78 even a better selling short opportunity, and this selling short opportunity was good all the way down to $31 and a half at least, okay? And why $31 and a half? That is the reason for this free lesson, my friends. So where do you get this $31 and a half? You get this $31 and a half live in real time in our website. Our website has all the information. You don't find this information elsewhere in the world. So the only thing that you have to do is to click here on, if you are logged in, if you open a free account, here this menu, it is different for those that they are logged in. So for example, here you have my bookmarks, okay? By bookmarks, it is an option if you are logged in, and then if you click on the blog, okay? You click on the blog and you can in fact then create collections. You see here, add to collection, new collection. You can bookmark video on demand lessons, you can bookmark blog posts, you can bookmark products, and so on. So let's click here on CON, the ticker, on this search box, and let's CON worst company and let's click enter to see what is coming up. The worst companies in the world. So here you have, this is the case study, the worst companies in the world, stocks to crash, and you find here 6 days ago. So let's click here. In fact, this is the blog. So on the blog we are going to search for CON. So on the blog to search for a blog post, you have to scroll down and then to wait for the next set of posts as you are seeing live. And here you have the world's most successful stock market investors and traders. So if you click here, we are going to wait for this to open. And here you have the post recorded live. This is a NASDAQ screenshot live. As for example, today you have this stock. You see, this is the tape. This today Facebook is trading at 61.56 cents. You see, this is the live tape. I repeat, the live tape. And on the day that I recommended to take profits in CON, that was $31.51. $31.51, and the post was then published live, and also with the testimonials, you know, everything it is here, and you can continue reading and blah blah blah. So today, where is CON? CON, I repeat, it was basically almost $40. So again, and this again I repeat, with 100% accuracy, the stock was a short, a plain short, from that 68 last year all the way up to 78, and then all the way down to $31.50. Okay, so if you cover the short position at, for example, $58 or 37 or 38 or 35, you don't know what you are doing in the stock market. You are a gambler, okay? Because the stock had to fall all the way down to $31.50, and only at $31.50 I then issued a trade alert to use trailing stops, and precisely the lesson is about where to use trailing stops to maximize profits. And I'm referring obviously not to profits on the short term, I'm referring to profits for the swing position. So this is one of the advantages of the service. That is to say, to maximize profits precisely and to know where to place your trailing stops. Okay, so the stock had to crash. I repeat, these were the easy profits in CON from the $80. Again, strong sell reiterated 78. Does not matter if it was 78 or $80, it's the same, all the way down to the $31.50, and only at $31.50 the best service in the world told you where to place the trailing stops. Okay, and obviously then the American investors, those that they are the most stupid in the world, they were selling short the stock precisely at $31.50. And why do I know that? Because I know absolutely everything, my friends. I know absolutely everything because I know everything because you can find it in my work. If I didn't know absolutely everything, it will be impossible to have these screenshots and all those case studies published live. Okay, so I invite you also to visit and to watch the recent one about Twitter. That was a stock sold at $73 and above, since I already announced it as a bubble a long time ago. And the Twitter today crashed all the way down to $43.50, and today it is, after bouncing a bit, $46. So my friends, I don't see where is, quite frankly, the difficulty of this, because we have the single best service in the world for 20 years in a row. And moreover, yesterday I posted a review that you can find on the website and on the video portal about all the information that is available in the video portal as video on demand, and this is the video portal. Okay, the video portal you'll find here, and you find all these videos that they are worth, they are selling, or you can rent these videos for ridiculous prices. Obviously, some of them, meanwhile, they increased. For example, the case with the US stock market outlook, it increased 450%, because even in that video that was selling for $850, I addressed Google Stock Outlook 2014 for free, my friends. So these videos, they are absolutely ridiculous in terms of pricing that we were asking for, okay? So you find here for institution, for example, you have here potential profits of 100 million US dollars or higher, depending on how much they can use in terms of position sizing. And if this is not the case, for those that they have small accounts, you have here videos for $500 and even less that you have videos for $50. And for example, the most recent one is this one, Investor Education Course on Technical Analysis, and I'm going to click here. And here it is a video that is 1 hour and 11 minutes long, I believe, and it includes a free pick. And if you rented this video yesterday, and it was already made available yesterday, today, if you follow the guidelines, you are already making money. And this is ridiculous, the price that I'm asking for this, $890, okay? Ridiculous, the price, okay? So my friends, everything has been explained. You find everything. I already addressed this, in fact, in that review, with testimonials, reviews, and so on, about all this information that is here. So the only thing that you have to do is to rent the video, to choose the stock that you want to trade. If you want to trade top picks, you also find here top picks. And if you want to know where to take profits on the short side, I repeat, in con, you had to visit the blog of the company, and you were very fortunate to have that information for free, because we knew that the stupid Americans, they were selling short con at $31 an half. That is the price that you see here. So I know everything, my friends. I even know what the Federal Reserve is going to say tomorrow. And if you want to know how to trade against the stupid Americans, the only thing that you have to do, once again, is to click on the blog. And here we teach how to double the size of your account. In fact, it's not double, it's tripling. And to how stupid are American investors. And you click here, and by clicking there, if you click here, how to trade high volatile stocks, you have this video at price $2,500. This is absolutely ridiculous, okay? In one single day, this video, you could have made, depending obviously on your trading account, more than 100,000 US dollars, my friends. In one single day, depending, obviously if you are an institution, you made by far more, it's $1 million. But I don't know what is your trading capital. I do know that if you have questions about this, or if you have, if you are unsure which videos to rent or about the service, what I do recommend to everyone in that situation is to visit the website of this company. That is, their name is in the US, it is Goldman Sachs. And they are accepting accounts, okay? So they have a good sales team, we don't have one, and they have accepting accounts. You call them, they have a very nice website, very well done. I like their logo, these guys, they seem very nice pictures, people to attend you. They also are in Africa, I suppose, looking at the pictures. And it's a global company, you see, worldwide here. They are everywhere, in the Americas, in Europe, Middle East, Africa, Asia Pacific. These guys are everywhere. It's amazing, you see. Taiwan, Russia, Saudi Arabia, Japan, India. Fuck, it's amazing. This company is... So, you contact them, you call them. They have financial advisors. They have here also, I think, very good information about privacy and security, terms of use, regulatory disclosures, site map, mobile view, feedback. They are. This is a wonderful website. I see. Look, even pictures of medical devices, and this site is wonderful. Never seen anything like this. Citizenship, so they can help you probably to change country or citizens, to our thinking. This is amazing. It's a company. I have to look at this, in fact. So I think that these guys are extraordinarily good in what they do. Oh, look, you have testimonials, who we are. You see, we are... Goldman Sachs brings people, capital and ideas together to help our clients and the communities we serve. Learn more about our firm. You don't find this in our website, my friends. This is an amazing website. Careers. You can also, besides opening an account, you can, look, they help students, graduates. Why Goldman Sachs? The culture, the people, divisions, diversity, training and orientation, compensation and benefits, awards. So let's click on awards. These guys, they have to have, amazing awards. Fortune 100 best companies to work for, January 2004. If I had money, I would put my money here, my friends. These guys are wonderful. Ranked 45. Well, these companies, I'm just discovering, in fact, Goldman Sachs. You see, I'm helping you, my friends. So, if you have questions, doubts, and about joining the service and how the video can help or not help, and blah blah blah, I would contact Goldman Sachs. They have financial advisors, and to draw a plan together with them to help you in your future career, in your family, and to a strategic plan, precisely. I think they can, best companies to work for. I think that these guys can turn you a millionaire in, a couple of weeks or 2 months, with so many good media relationships. So they have everything, my friends. Here they have everything. They have even newspapers, probably, journalists, press releases, media contacts. These companies, amazing. So you have here private wealth management. So probably this is, in fact, what most people are looking for, this private wealth management. This is something we don't do. Private wealth management, you click here, let's click here. Oh, look, they use also, they have security, SSL, so these guys are, the website is very secure. User ID, password, phones all over the world, you see. Even in Chinese, they have everything. No, I don't know. I will contact them ASAP as soon as possible, and I think they can help you because I'm pretty sure that they have precisely the live trade call at $41 an hour, probably upgrading comes and now calling them the single best company in the world, the single best retailer. But you have also to contact them whether they were in fact upgrading comes to buy at $60 or not, because I will not be surprised to be the case. So my friends, I think that I've been very clear where to find the information. Today, let me also just to finalize that my colleague passed me a ticket, support ticket, where someone asked for find that in our somewhere on the internet the prices for our service are $100,000 US for training. that they found it from website investimonials or informed trades and so on. Well, what I have to say about that is very clear, is very simple. I don't know what you are looking at or how you are searching for information on the internet, on scam websites, but if people want to know, if I want to know the prices for Goldman Sachs, as an example, I'm not going to visit my own website or Merrill Lynch or Morgan Stanley or Bank of America. I go to Goldman Sachs website to know about their pricing, or I call them. I don't go to Investimonials or to Bank of America or to Inform Trades or to scam websites to know about the pricing. So what I can tell you is that in the past 20 years I never had any service for training for 100,000 US dollars. So I don't know what people they are talking about. And what I don't know, and that is I'm absolutely sure or certain, is that those that they are posting that information on the internet, certainly they were not, have never been subscribers. So my friends, I repeat that you have to filter, but I'm not there, I'm not going to teach you how to navigate or to search for information on the internet. You have to learn it by yourself. That is not part of the service. We don't teach people how to navigate on the internet, okay? In the United States, I imagine that on schools there are probably even for free, you can attend classes how to search for information on the internet, how to use Chrome, how to use Firefox, how to use the web browser, how to write in English. I suppose, I don't know, because I'm not there in the US, but I suppose. And then you have these great companies, these world leaders, that I suppose that Goldman Sachs is one of them, that you can contact them. They have probably a team of more than 2,000 or 5,000 financial advisors to help those with small accounts to turn millionaires in a small time frame, in a short-term time frame. Or in better than that, I suppose that you can also open an account there, and you don't have to do anything. You just give them your money, and 1 week later or 1 year later, they call you, pick up the money because now you are a millionaire. Okay, we don't do that, my friends. Here, we don't do it, though. They do it. So if they do it, I think that you have to contact them. I suppose that they do it, because in fact I don't know. I have not called them. I'm just giving you the example of a company that they say that they are the best, and you have here the Fortune 100 best companies to work for. If they are one of the best companies to work for, certainly they are the best in the market, and they have a wonderful track record for the past or since they exist. I don't know when this company in fact was created, but in the US they are, in fact the US is one of the countries in the world where you can see, the only country probably in the world where they say that you can see UFOs. And things that if tomorrow Obama says that in Mars everyone, or in the moon, everyone is believing that Obama is in the moon having a conference call, but where I am, those things, they don't exist, my friends. We don't see UFOs. The only thing that we see, we are very limited in our things, what we do. And the only thing that I could tell you is that this stock was in fact a scam, this company, an American company, a strong sell for the crash, and the only price that I could visualize to take some profits in count, it was at $31 an half, and it is on the blog, but I'm certain that Goldman Sachs probably did it better at 31 and 48 cents, and obviously they were short the stock the most at $80 and 10 cents, you understand? But I don't have those visions as they have, but if they can demonstrate, but I have not seen yet in the past 20 years any case study by Goldman Sachs. So, but they say that they are the best. I don't know. I repeat that I think that you should contact them. They have all the policies here. They can see, Goldman Sachs, social media, on YouTube, Twitter, careers, Goldman Sachs, for women. So you see, they have policies for women, small business. They have everything. Oh, look, they are on LinkedIn. They have policies about cookies. They have everything. These guys are amazing. I mean, this is a wonderful website. If I was a designer, I would have this site as a reference. It's wonderful. You can even print information or print. Look. Look, Antonio, come here. I mean, we have to copy this website. I mean, the Chinese are not copying this website. They have to fucking copy this website. It's amazing. They have everything. Look, the menus, they work perfectly. Board of directors. Let's see who is the board of directors. Oh, he's bald like me. Oh, look, all of them. What's happened with these guys? Look, look. They have all people from people from all over the world. Nice guys, they nice looking guys. So let's see this guy. You see, well, this guy is since 2003, so he is precisely when the bull market started. So the guy has to be rich. He can help you. He has more than 30 years experience in various positions at Goldman Sachs, New York, London. I mean, this guy, I'm pretty sure that he's going to demonstrate how to trade, how to invest in coins and Twitter. By the way, I think these guys had a strong buy in Twitter. I don't know, but Twitter today is 46. So if they had a strong buy at 65 or so, probably, I don't know, but if they downgraded Twitter, maybe they downgraded, I don't know. I'm not a subscriber to Goldman Sachs, but probably they now have a strong sell rating in Twitter. They must have that video in Twitter where they sold Twitter at $73.50 and then selling short the most. But, I mean, in our website, unfortunately, because we are very limited, you only find information about Twitter to calling the stock bubble at $73. So we are very limited in that matter, and here you can see that selling Twitter before the crash. So, but we are very limited. So we were only as far as I know, I was the only one calling Twitter to at most $75 a bubble, and then selling for the crash. But these guys appears that they had strong buy ratings. Then they are, I don't know, you have to check the rating of them, these guys that they had on Twitter, but it appears to me that at least the last time that I saw on internet, they had a strong buy rating in Twitter when the stock was $65, but I don't know what the price that they had in Twitter, if it was $100 or $200. I heard the other day that they had targets in Tesla Motors for every taste. They had targets for $400 and $430. They had targets in Tesla Motors for $60. They have several scenarios. This is a fucking wonderful company, my friends. They tell you about everything. Basically they say, Tesla Motors is a stock that can trade up to $450 or $430. I'm sorry if I'm not accurate. You have to search on the internet because I don't know exactly what they said. But at the same time, they also said that the worst case scenario for Tesla Motors is something like $60. So the question that you have to make to this guy, that is Lloyd Blankfein, or whatever, how do you spell it, or how you call the guy, but he appears to be very honest, is whether he's long the stock or whether he's short the stock, because a company that has a target 430 or 420 at the same time as a worst case scenario $60, I mean, are they long or are they short? This guy appears to be very honest. So you have to call the guy and say and call him by calling, asking the guy, look, or you open an account there, and certainly they are going to make you a millionaire investor in Tesla Motors. But I heard, a couple of years ago, 1.5 years ago, that they had a sell rating in Tesla Motors at $60. but maybe in where I'm living, here we, Google, maybe it is giving the wrong information, I don't know, or other portals, maybe they or the government is changing information. That can also be the case in China, in Russia. They might be changing information, and we never know these things, right? So, but I read somewhere, it could be a scam article, that these guys had a sell rating in Tesla Motors at $60, but that is not my problem, it is your problem. I'm just informing you that I'm pretty sure that they can show you the case study in Twitter, selling short the most at 73, and explaining why today the stock is 46. And I'm pretty sure that they will tell you that they could have informed you to sell tons at $80 before the collapse, and then to buy the stock at 31 and 48 cents precisely. And now that probably they have a strong buy rating in Cons, saying that is probably, I don't know. You have to call them, open them an account, and they are going to help you. But what we can in fact show, and that is what we do since we are very limited, is that we have in our company, unlike others, this is the company where you have this information posted live, and we have the fact, the ticker, and the Nasdaq live screenshot for Cons at $31 an hour. And you also have all the reviews, and here you have the Cons. Okay, so I leave you with this important lesson about when to use trailing stops on swing, in this case short positions. Okay, so here you have the 31 and 51 cents, and obviously this is a testimonial, but this guy is lying. This guy, you cannot trust these testimonials. I would probably, or I will likely trust by far more in these Goldman Sachs, where you find all this theory. But although I like this website, it appears to be very nice, I don't see any case studies. I don't see anything. But they have people to help you. But I don't see case studies. I don't see live calls. I don't see anything. But these locations, awards. So students, stories of progress, diversity and inclusion. No, maybe I'm wrong. Maybe I don't know how to navigate the internet. I don't know, or this website, cleaning, sales and trading. Maybe here, sales and trading. No, more guys, more pictures, more photos. Electronic trading, videos. Not here, case studies. I don't know. Maybe I'm not going to call them, since my English is very poor, but I'm pretty sure that you, given your knowledge and your information and your education, you can presentations. I'm sure it is here. No conference calls. We don't do conference calls. I mean, this is amazing feature. These guys are an amazing feature. Let's see. Listen to the webcast. Listen to the presentation. PDF. I mean, look at these guys. They're smiling, young people, No, we don't have this, my friends. We don't. Progress, we don't have progress. Goldman Sachs 2012 annual report. I mean, I don't see the case studies, okay? Maybe, but they have a link probably somewhere in case studies, with live trade calls in Twitter and, stuff like that. But I cannot see, okay? I'm a bit, I have problems navigating the internet. So, a great lesson today in 33 minutes and 50 seconds, how to use and where to place trailing stops, and all this lesson for free, where also I explain, obviously this is not about technical analysis, I explain about companies in the world. Obviously it had to be in the United States, that is the only country that can help you in the world, and the only companies, they have to be Americans, and that is the only country in the world where you can see UFOs, those things that they come from, that you can look on the sky, they coming from the space, the outer space, spaceships and stuff like that. And so I'm pretty sure that they will give you the case study about Twitter, and explain why Twitter crashed, and I'm pretty sure that they will also explain whether in fact Twitter it was a stock for the crash, as well as this one offering you the button in cons. Thank you.